The electronic transitions responsible for the color of potassium dichromate and paraffin in their solid state respectively are. The options are shown here. This is the dichromate ion structure. Here each CrO3 minus ion is joined by one oxygen atom. It has tetrahedral structure. In dichromate ion, chromium is the central metal ion. Now we see the valence electrons of chromium. In dichromate, chromium exists as +6 oxidation state. Here the valence electrons are 4s0, 3d0. Now we discuss the tetrahedral geometry of the complex of molecular orbital diagram. Here I am going to consider only the d orbitals of the central metal ion, not other valence orbitals, that is s and p orbitals of central metal ion, for the convenience of explaining the charge transfer transition. Here the d orbitals are split up into E and T2 for the tetrahedral geometry. The chromium ion having +6 oxidation state, that is high oxidation state, so its energy level is decreases. Now we see the valence orbital of the ligands, that is oxygen. Here the ligand orbitals are split up into A1 and T2 symmetry. The electron is transferred from pi orbital of the oxygen ligand to pi orbital of the central metal ion, that is chromium metal ion. So we get ligand to metal charge transfer transition. The first two option doesn't have ligand to metal charge transfer transition, so we remove the two options. Next we see the electronic transition in paraffin system. This is the paraffin structure of the molecule. Here this paraffin molecule having 11 pi conjugated system. Now we see the energy level of the electronic transition in organic molecules. The greater the number of conjugated multiple bonds in a compound, the longer the wavelength of the light that the compound will absorb. That is, smaller energy requirement for the transition from the HOMO to the LUMO. In the paraffin system, the pi to pi star energy is decreases. That is, very feasible electronic transition occur via pi to pi star transition. So the correct answer is the C option. The electronic transitions responsible for the color of potassium dichromate and paraffin in their solid state respectively are the C option, that is ligand to metal charge transfer, pi to pi star. Thank you.